my kitchen. Today, I will be making an Italian BMT from Subway, and I'm so excited because I haven't had one in ages. So stay tuned to see how it's made and let's get started. BMT, short for biggest, meatiest, tastiest, is Subway's best-selling sandwich. So let's have a look at the ingredients. You will need 1 long Italian herb and cheese bread roll, 6 slices of pepperoni, 6 slices of salami, 4 slices of ham, 4 slices of provolone cheese, some shredded lettuce, 6 slices of tomato, a quarter red onion sliced, some salt, pepper and oregano for seasoning, some oil and vinegar for topping, and some mayonnaise. Let's get started. Step 1. Slice the bread roll in half, but not completely. Step 2. Now add the pepperoni, salami, ham, and cheese to the top half of the bread. Did you know that Subway is about as big as a fast food chain can get? It's the largest food chain in the world based on footprint. It serves about 7 million sandwiches daily. Step 3. Place the lettuce, tomato, and onions on the bottom half of the bread. Step 4. Now season with salt, pepper and oregano. Then sprinkle with a little oil and vinegar. Subway was founded by the 17-year-old Fred DeLuca and financed by Peter Buck in 1965 as Pete's Super Submarines in Bridgeport, Connecticut. The restaurant was renamed Subway 2 years later. Step 5. Now top with some mayonnaise and then cut in half. And that's it. Simple and delicious. Wow! Now this looks amazing and I can't wait to dig in. So you know what that means. I have to go now. But thank you for watching and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes coming soon. See you all next time. Goodbye!